Hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing amazing. I'm getting ready to do a little pamper routine. With everyone being stuck inside, we really don't have much else to do besides take some time to pamper ourselves. So I'm about to hop in the shower right now. I'm using the Bondi Sands Coconut and Sea Salt Body Scrub. I like to use this before I apply my at-home tanner because it just gets any dry skin off and it helps make the tan look smoother. So I know I've talked about this in a lot of videos, but this is the product that I have been using. So I like to focus this on like my elbows, my knees, and really anywhere that I notice I have drier skin. This is step one of my pamper routine. Okay, so now that I'm all dried off, my top's a little wet, obviously from the shower, but when I get to this area, I'll just dry it off and then go from there. So I'm using the Bondi Sands Aero in Ultra Dark. This can be found on their website. It's affordable, it's amazing, and hands down one of my favorite Holy Grail products like of life. And just start applying it. And you can see from the color, it's like super brown, olive undertone. It's just amazing. So I'm gonna just drench myself in this. Now whatever I have remaining, I'm just gonna very lightly do on my hands. And I like to go like this for all the fingers. And also make sure like on the side over here too. And I have like very dry knuckles, eczema, stuff like that. So throughout the day, I'll just keep an eye on it. And if I notice that it's getting a little too dark, I'll just take a little bit of soap and water and rub it off so that way it doesn't get darker than everything else. So for the back, I've always used the back applicator, which I could, but he's home. So I'm gonna get my boyfriend to help me with the back. Hold on one second. We gave Cindy and Bear haircuts. I gotta show you guys, it's hilarious. Good Bowie. Okay. You have to put it on the mitt. You know what to do.
Yeah, we're in this.
You've done this before. And my neck too, if you don't mind.
Lay it on thick.
Thick, 2 C's.
With 2 C's.
How nice is this color?
Delicious mocha caramel.
No,
right.
Don't spray it right on my skin.
Oh, it's alright.
Do it right on the mitt.
Right.
Hey, that's a lot.
Take care. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Enjoy. Ciao.
Ciao, bye. Okay, I'm gonna do a tiny bit, like this much, for my face. And one thing I wanted to quickly mention, and then we'll move on. I like to do this when I need to shave. So like for instance, my legs are a little hairy. I'm a little hairy because I like to spray tan and then shave after I wash the tan off, because I feel like if I shave before, the tan sometimes seeps into my pores and makes them a little darker. So like I found a trick that if you shave afterwards, it just looks so much smoother. So try that out if you guys haven't tried it yet. It makes a big difference. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm looking crazy dark. I have like my self-tanner clothes that I put on after. So I have these like really big comfy sweats, and then I stole one of his t-shirts. Let's see if he notices. Hopefully he doesn't yell. Barry's just sitting in the tub behind me right now. Don't ask why. Barry, what are you doing in the tub? What are you doing, Tootsie? A perfect day of pamper also includes, for me, don't think I'm crazy, I love doing laundry. For me, it's like therapeutic. So I have a couple loads of laundry I'm gonna go do, and then I'll probably just watch maybe a new show or an episode. We just started McMillions last night. We'll see what else I feel like doing for the next 6 hours. But all the good stuff is gonna come once I can wash this off. But this step is always step number 1 in my pamper routine. So this is my laundry room. Why are you staring at me?
These 2 drawers could be combined.
You and that drawer can be combined. I'm working right now. Can you let me know?
Well, these drawers can be combined as one, and on the one all the way at the end could be the dish towels.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Go ahead, baby. Go right ahead. So as I mentioned, I don't know why, but I love doing laundry. And I have probably like 2 or 3 loads. And I have some in the dryer already. Babe, you want to help me fold some of the stuff in the dryer?
I can, yes.
Cool. Alright, so I have one that I'm gonna go fold. Just be careful, like you don't want to get yourself wet at all or wash your hands or anything. So now that I'm moving this over, I'm just gonna be super careful. These are what I use for the dryer sheets. I like everything lavender scent, whitewash. So for laundry detergent, I just hit pause on the dryer because you won't hear me. I just got the 365 lavender citrus. Haven't tried this one yet. The other one that I used to use that's almost empty is the 7th generation one. but I couldn't find it when we had to go to the food store. So this one I'm gonna try for the first time. Let's smell it. Mmm, smells really good. I can't take myself seriously right now. You guys watch this, ready? So I have my deli slices. There, you wanna try some? Even carnivores like vegan meat. How cute is that? You love the vegan meat? Yum yums. He's like the pickiest eater ever. You don't even know. So we feed him.
There's a tornado watch.
Where?
Till 6 o'clock tonight.
Here? Where?
You think you're cool with your new haircut, huh?
Yeah, he is cool. You want to cut my onion for me? You don't have to. I'll do it.
Sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Angel.
How good are these new knives?
So good.
Did you use them yet?
No.
You know, something. Here's something else.
I'm pretty sure I made this sandwich already on YouTube, but little balsamic glaze on everything.
Love that balsamic glaze.
I love balsamic glaze. It's the saddest thing happened. So there was a reef on my door, and I guess there was eggs, and they broke. So Anthony's a little gem, and he just got the hose. Are you the best? Don't get me wet though.
Got it.
So he's gonna clean it away. It's so sad. Time to put the clothes away. Don't mind my rug, by the way. Never got fully put together because I have this like grate under my bed, and it was too hard. It's like a 3-man job, and we just never got it done. So look at my baby man in his baby man bed. Kitties are here to help. So it's been 6 long hours. I shouldn't say long because the day went pretty quick. I did about 4 loads of laundry, folded, put all my clothes away. I organized my beauty room. I did a lot of just like kind of organizing around the house, which I feel like if you do that during the day while you're marinating, you don't feel so bad spending the rest of the night pampering yourself, which is what we are about to do. So I'm about to rinse it off. It's been exactly 6 hours. So this is the tan, legit fresh out of the shower. It's honestly the most beautiful color. It's so natural looking. I'm obsessed with it. So now let's move on with the pamper routine. So I always like to shave my face once I get out of the shower, once my face is really clean. I was trying to find that Flawless product that I had done a video on most recently, and I must have misplaced it. So I'm gonna go back to the Tinkle razors. Those you can find right on Amazon. I'm also gonna go in with a tweezer and just tweeze up my brows because it has been a while and they were looking like a mess. So instead of doing like my skincare routine, I'm gonna just go in with this mask. It's by Summer Fridays. It's called the Jet Lag Mask, and it's like really super hydrating. So I like to put a lot on and then I just leave it on overnight instead of my normal skincare routine. So now that I've done my face, the next step, this is gonna seem a little gross, and I'm not gonna get too in detail with this, but I bought this on Amazon. I used to have one of these a long time ago. Oops. This is what it looks like, and it's to buff the bottom of your feet, like your calluses, and just to smooth out your feet. So I like to do this like once a month. It comes with 3 different heads. I have like the roughest one on because, you know, it's been a little bit since my last pedicure. So you wanna make sure you have like a towel underneath you, but you're gonna switch it on and go right on your feet. And then I take a lot of Aquaphor and I'll like goop it on to my heels, and I'll goop it on to my entire toes, heel, anywhere I just use that tool, and then I'll put on a nice fuzzy sock and I will sleep in it. And when you wake up tomorrow, wait till you see how soft and amazing your feet feel. Like the best thing I've ever done. Goop it on. My toes are just dry in general. And I got my penguin socks. I always like to use like fuzzy socks like this because it doesn't seep through like that. So I took my gel polish off. My nails are a wreck. So I bought this on Amazon and I've been using it the past week or two on my nails and my toes. It's keratin 3-day growth. I don't know, I just feel like it's good for the nails. So I'm gonna do 2 coats of this. So it makes them nice and shiny. You wanna let it dry in between the second coat. And now that they are dry, I'm gonna take the cuticle oil and put it all on my dry cuticles. If you want, you can do like plastic gloves and some Aquaphor as well for your hands. I'm not gonna, because I'm getting ready for bed. But if you wanna like sleep in them, just like I did with my socks and my feet, you could do that as well. And then I just go back to the same body lotion I used for my legs. Just take a little bit, I don't know, I guess that's not really a little bit, and rub my hands. Ta-da, my nails look better than they did, I'll say that. One of the final steps, I gotta take this bun out because my head is hurting from this. Oh, honestly, one of the best feelings in the entire world is taking out your hair. I feel like this video I've been looking all kinds of crazy, but it's fine because that's quarantine life. So I have the Olaplex Bond Sealer, and luckily I have 2 of these. I like to apply this and leave it in overnight because it makes my hair feel amazing. So that's why this is my final step. If not, you can do like a deep conditioner and then kind of do that in the beginning of the video, and as you're doing the other steps, you can let that mask sit. So this goes from like the middle part of your hair to the ends. So I'm gonna finish this one, and then like I said, I have another one. So you could do it on dry or wet hair. I'm actually not even gonna use the towel because it's just too difficult. And we're gonna apply it in the hair. And I like to focus it like mostly on the ends. Since I've dyed it, my hair feels healthier, like dyed it back. I don't know, it's just the blonde, my hair, no matter what, how much deep conditioner or whatever I use, it just never looked like super smooth. And I'm just gonna do it in like a lower bun because my hair was hurting me from that bigger bun. And I'm just gonna do like a loose bun like this. And when I use this, I'll use like a towel over my pillow. That way I don't ruin the sheets. Not that you're gonna ruin it, but by using the towel, it's just, you know, a little bit safer. So, babe, I'm gonna whiten my teeth. You wanna do it with me? So my last and final step to my pamper routine, I'm gonna whiten my teeth because it's been about 3 weeks.
What did you need?
I'm gonna whiten my teeth. Do you wanna do it with me?
I do, it's been a few weeks.
Was it like 3 weeks already?
Yeah.
Was it almost a month?
Yeah.
Does this thing work?
How good do I look right now? So in our first quarantine video we did together, we did kind of like a step-by-step on how to use this product. It's by Whitening Lightning. I do have a code if anyone wants to use it. I'm not gonna bore you with that same routine, so if you wanna check it out, you can, but we're gonna just do that really quick. And then hop on the couch, throw on a show. What are we gonna do, McMillions?
Yeah, McMillions. We're on episode 2 where we finished 2.
Yeah, so that's the plan. And I feel fully pampered head to toe. I think I really covered every step of what I would realistically do. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You're too tall to be in this video.
I know.
I hope all of you guys take the time to pamper yourself. I hope everyone's doing good, and I'm still smiling. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.
Right.
All right.
Ciao.